V-Diamant Boy. Top sire Diamant de Semilly united with Killy Damline. With Diamant de Semilly and Echo van Spieveld, V-Diamant Boy brings together two proven Grand Prix sport and breeding stallions in his pedigree. Also, this dam line has produced good show jumpers. His Grandam Killy has foaled several successful sport horses and can also be found in the dam line of the approved stallions Martini VDL, who competes at international 1.45 m level at the age of 8, and Nicholson VDL. This is also the dam line of the international 1.60 m horse Chippendale's Boy DZ, successfully ridden by Sloan Colts.